nice upgrade, man.
And imagine when I put a plow on the front of this bitch.
Yeah. Yo.
How's the beer situation? Can I go get some?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you should get back on your bike. Go get the beer.
I got the front tire up and just sort of leaned it against the tailgate or the bed, and I was just able to pick the back up from here and just
cool.
scoot it in.
Yeah. You could easily pick these bikes up and just throw them in the back of their truck.
Yeah, boys. All right.
What do we got to put on the old yeller?
Well, let's see. So I got the Nibbi. It's gonna be phase 1, and for the men who have everything, more wackadoo f***ing intakes. DDIs. I think I just stuffed those in there.
Nice, dude.
What is this? A little blinker relay or something?
Is that a relay? Oh, that must be a relay. I ordered a bunch of shit and then just stuffed it all into random boxes. Those are the relays, yes.
Is that a nib?
This is the nib.
Oh, silver nib.
Silver.
There was like 2 different ones. There was the black one, which you guys had, and then I think this one, I think it was one size smaller. Let's see how she nibs.
Dude, she'll nib. You got some weird intakes?
Yeah, got some more wackadoo intakes because you never know.
That one's a weird one.
But this was all that shit. I ordered all this like last fall.
Yeah.
And then it was like, ordered it when it was still nice. It came 2 weeks later and it was snowing. So then it just didn't happen. I think
that could work still.
Oh God, it might.
I have one that will work for you if that doesn't work, I'm pretty sure.
It's a nice, same position, dude. It's last time, right?
More or less.
That's where your other carb was at. It's nice. It's a satisfying part, dude.
It is a satisfying part. Did we do any needle adjustments on these bad boys right off the bat, or are we just...
I didn't.
Just freeballing. Nice. That's how I like it.
Letting them rip.
Letting them rip.
Ready to rock from the factory.
So much stuff got loosey-goosey from last Saturday, dude. I had to tighten a lot of stuff down.
A lot of vibration last Saturday.
Yeah.
It was not a chill trail.
No.
Like that KTM dude was like, oh, the military, remember that? He's like,
yeah.
trail. Like, it's just like really swoopy and
right.
It was way
not the
more
fucking
intense
case.
than the Blue Mountain Trail.
Just full-bodied.
Yeah. Nice views though. I mean, the road getting up there was sweet too.
Dude, it was sweet when we got up there.
The video really didn't do it justice. It never does with like steep.
Yeah, it's not good at showing how steep it was.
No, totally.
Yeah. No. It's worth a try.
It's a little plastic arm.
Yeah, it's not metal.
Yeah.
It's
it looks
metal nubbins. Yeah.
Damn.
It'll reach. Am I gonna have to dismantle a bunch of random shit that I don't want to dismantle? Is the real questiones. Fun fact, I don't even think I brought my fucking keys for this thing.
Oh no. Teapot, no.
Well, whatever. I mean, I have to drive the truck out of here anyway, so.
Nice little rinsey poo, dude.
Yeah, it's a little rinse off. Haven't done this for a while.
You know, it's in there.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
Got the Nibbi stickers.
Stickies.
No way.
Oh, I like the blue
We're
ones.
nibbing out.
Chrome.
Super unique.
Which, by the way, this muffler, I don't think does a fucking thing. Look on the center of it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be loud as dude. It's gonna be so loud. It might even be louder.
It's supposed to
Go
bounce into that and then come around.
Yeah.
Well, that's why it was $18.
We'll test it out.
It looks sick, whatever. If it's
We'll
a
just
little
pack it with steel wool.
Yeah, that'd probably do something.
That probably work.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'll check my keys again, but
I'm honestly impressed that none of these keys have worked for either the wheel lock or
I guess they do care.
oh, it's even died, so you know where you got.
And so that oil catches all the little particles that are trying to come
that
through.
makes sense.
That's cool.
That's how like the old school air filters where you'd soak them in used oil.
Yeah, this is just a fancier
Sick. Thank you for that.
Yeah, man.
This is probably going to be coming back off again.
So might as
So
well.
I'm just, because the other thing I want to do is I think I am going to cover this whole thing in leather.
Oh, yeah.
Make a little custom leather
Oh, you should.
sleeve for it so it doesn't look like I'm going to just get hepatitis looking at it. If I could just get a big old pistol mount right here. Just start.
Get a machete mount.
Great success.
Dude, that all went really well, dude. Fresh carb again.
So I'm thinking if this whole thing is Trex, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus I'm going to Trex this 8, 9, and if I do the back, you know, you're pushing 11, 12.
You're going to
count for order room as well.
You're going to be grounding out a lot, I think.
Dude, you joking, Joe?
Nothing rides higher than
I know,
Goddamn
but the
out.
river's low right now.
This thing is the most buoyant thing
But where does the DJ
you've ever
go?
seen. That's a good question. I mean, that's my goal, is to have this whole thing be one even deck up front here.
It's going to be sexual.
With the hatch to get in the box, and then have deck going down both sides. And if I have time, I'll do the back as well.
Cool.
So something's not right, but we're good.
The engine of Meg.